Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss the best stocks to buy right now in 2021 after the budget. I am going to suggest you 15 stocks in 8 different sectors that you should consider buying right now. Without getting it, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Government has planned to put nearly 8,500 kilometer roads and 11,000 kilometer national highway road. Stocks which are going to get good scope are L&T, NCC and cement companies like Ultratech. If you see the chart of the L&T has given 14% in just 4 days after the budget and NCC has given 25% after budget. If you see, all these very big bullish candles indicate that many investors are focusing in this stock because this stock is going to get good scope from the budget and they are going to get good profit, and in return we are going to get good profit. Also, Ultratech Cement has shot up 15% after the budget. Electricity. All over India, government is planning to distribute more electricity. Stock which is going to get the attention is Tata Power. If you see, the stock has shot up 18% after budget. If you are interested in trading and if you want to trade like this and if you want to gain profit, subscribe to our channel. I will be sharing more trading ideas in the upcoming sessions. Government has allocated 64,000 crores to develop new primary healthcare centers, and for corona vaccine the government has given 35,000 crores. All this will benefit the pharma stocks. Stocks which gets the benefits are Sun Pharma, Divi's Lab and Dr. Reddy. If you see, all the pharma stocks have shot up nearly 7.5 to 10% in the last 4 trading sessions. Railways. More railway tracks are going to be built. More railway stations will be developed in the upcoming years. The stocks are IRCTC and IRFC. Both these stocks have shot up nearly 5%. If new railway tracks are going to be developed, then IRFC is the one which is going to give fund to IRCTC. And if you are holding the IRFC IPO, please hold it for some time to get good profit. In the budget, government have said that they will provide more funds to public sector banks. Stocks which get the benefit is SBI. State Bank of India is the government bank which is going to get this benefit. After the recent protest by the farmers, government have allocated a good amount for agriculture. Stocks which gets the benefit are PL, Campbell Fertilizer, Kaveri Seeds. Campbell Fertilizer is a fertilizer stock which shot up nearly 14% in just 4 days after the budget. In the budget, Indian government have allocated funds to provide LPG connections to many rural areas. Stocks which will get the benefits are IGL, MGL, TTK Prestige, Stoutcraft, etc. Government have implemented scrappage policy. After 20 years, all the vehicles will have a test. If the vehicle fails in the test, then they have to buy a new vehicle. Due to this policy, all the auto stocks will get benefit. All the auto stocks have shot up nearly 5% in just 4 trading sessions. For Swachh Bharat mission, government has allocated a huge amount, and the stock which will get the benefit is Antony Waste Handling Management because it is having a good tie-up with the government to handle the waste.